Hi guys, today I learned how to make a home-style stuffed bitter melon soups that is often made in the Asian food. This soup is definitely delicious, and if you want a traditional soup to eat with the jasmine rice, this is a great recipe to try it. The bitter melon is definitely the bitterest of the vegetable. They are not all the same amount of bitter. You can choose your level of the bitterness tolerance by simply choosing based on the color. You just want the little of the bitter, you just use the light green color and it's more less the bitter. The first step, we gonna clean and cut the bitter lemon in a half or a little pieces so you can stuff them. And cut the middle fresh until only clean outer layer is visible like this. And this step is the step that important if you want to reduce the bitterness of the bitter melon. Just use 1 tablespoon of salt with the water and then put down our bitter melon into it and then leave it for 30 minutes. This one will help to reduce bitterness. And then we're gonna prepare the filling by mixing the ground pork, grass noodle, and other ingredients. And for the ingredients, I will put in the description box below. We will add the oyster sauce and the white soy sauce and a bit of the pepper. And then we gonna need our pork with the grass noodle to be a bit of sticky. And then we're gonna stuff the melon with the ground pork mixture. And to help to the filling not remove when we boil, we just add the toothpick on the center like this. And there are our ingredients, and then we gonna make our soups. So bring a pot of the water to a boil, and if you have pork neck bone, you can use this, but if you don't have, you can use the powder of the soup to make it the soup is more taste. And then we're gonna add the mushroom, and after the water is boiling, we add other vegetable. The water start boiling, add 1 teaspoon of the salt. And then we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of the white soy sauce. For this step, you can taste the saltiness as you like. You can add a bit more or less with the salt or the soybean sauce, and also half tablespoon of the pepper. And then we're gonna add our carrot and also the lemon. Step, we use the medium heat until the water is boiling again, and then we reduce the heat to low heat and simmering for 1 hour with cover our pot. And now it's ready. You can see our bitter melon is cooked and the color is so nice, and then you can taste a bit and adjust if you want a bit more or less salty. And then let's serve with the hot steamed rice. And before we serve, don't forget to remove our toothpick. And top up with the coriander and also a bit of pepper. That is very delicious when you eat with the hot jasmine steamed rice. So I hope you guys give this time for this recipe, and then you will love this soup. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook, and see you next time.